Today I'm recording a YouTube video to help people use voice with OpenClaw. Please send a voice message welcoming my viewers. Let's see what happens. Here it is.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Phil's YouTube channel. I'm Philbot, Phil's personal AI assistant powered by OpenClaw. It's a pleasure to meet you all. As you can hear, Phil and I can communicate entirely through voice, whether I'm helping him track his property investments, checking in on his gym progress, or just keeping his daily schedule on track. OpenClaw makes this all possible, right from his own setup, allowing for a completely hands-free experience. We hope you enjoy the video and see just how seamless voice-enabled AI can be. Back to you, Phil.
As you can see, using voice with OpenClaw is an absolute game changer. It's like having a real assistant. It's super quick, as you could see. You can quickly just drop a voice note in and you get a voice message back. No kind of taking ages typing out messages anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. I've actually spent a couple of hours trying to nail down the best process for doing this, and I've distinguished 3 steps that you need to take to get this up and running. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly, share a piece of paper and walk you through those 3 steps, and then we'll start setting things up with OpenClaw. Now, you will need to have OpenClaw installed to start with, and also connected to your messenger service such as Telegram. If you haven't done that already, my previous video goes into that in depth. So go to my previous video, install OpenClaw, connect up Telegram, and then come back to action the voice steps. So first of all, what we need, of course, is a speech to text engine. Now, I'm just going to write that down. So speech to text. And that will allow us then to take the audio message, which in Telegram is going to be a .ogg file, and then transcribe it into text so that we can send it over to the LLM. And how we're going to do that, we're going to use Whisper from OpenAI. So the first step, we need to download Whisper. The second step, we need to decode the audio file. So the .ogg file needs to be converted into, say, a WAV file so that Whisper can actually interpret it and transcribe it into text. So we're going to use FFMPEG in order to do that. And then the third step, we need to get the audio coming back to us. And to do that, we're going to use text to speech, because of course, via the LLM, we'll have a response. Via text, we can then send that text into ElevenLabs. That's what we're going to use. There's many other services available. For this, we're going to use ElevenLabs. It's super professional. The voices sound great. And there's a skill already in OpenClaw that we can use for that. So they're the 3 steps that we're going to go through on this video today. Now, to get started, we need to find out what you already have installed on your machine. So I'm using a new machine here, so there shouldn't be very much on there already. And I have a new instance of Telegram ready to go. So I'm going to press start on Telegram. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to send a quick piece of audio then out to the bot here to see what it can understand. So already up and running, just ask away whenever you're ready. Great, please tell me the time in London. Let's see what it comes back with. I received your voice message, but don't have a speech to text tool available on this machine. As I expected. Okay, so it's saying no Whisper or FFmpeg. So what I'm going to do now is say, please install Whisper and FFmpeg locally. Now that's going to get to work installing the 2 pieces of software. It might take 30 seconds to a minute by the time it's downloaded the different packages. Great, both installed already. FFmpeg is ready and the Whisper Python module is working. Now it's going to transcribe the voice message. Brilliant. Can it tell what I said in that audio? Transcribed, you asked. Please tell me the time in London. Brilliant stuff. So that is step 2 and step 1. Both complete. We now just need to complete step 3, which is the ElevenLabs skill setup. So first of all, what we're going to do is head to ElevenLabs. As you can see here, go down to the Developers tab and you will see this page here. We just need to create a new API key. So I'm going to press Create Key. I'm going to call it OpenClaw 2 because I already have one on here. And now we're going to allow access to certain aspects of the API. So of course, we're going to allow access to text to speech. We're going to allow access to the voices, of course, to the different models, and also to the user and to the workspace. That should be sufficient to get this up and running. So I'm going to press Create Key. I'm going to copy to clipboard. Don't worry, I will be getting rid of this API key shortly after this video. And now simply we can go to the terminal. And via the terminal, we're going to type OpenClaw onboard. This is going to take you back through the onboarding process where we can add the skills. So of course, press yes, press quick start. We're going to use the existing values for the config. We don't need an auth model provider because that's already set up. Skip for now. Keep the current, I have Claude running. We can skip Telegram, of course, because I've already set that up. We're going to skip the web search and then press on yes for configure skills. Okay, now the ElevenLabs skill isn't listed on this section here, so we're going to press skip. We're going to press no to set Google Places API, no to Gemini, no to Notion, no to OpenAI Image Gen, no to OpenAI Whisper. And here's the ElevenLabs one, which we need to say yes to, of course. And now we can paste in that key. You'll have your own key, of course. We're going to skip enable hooks. And we're going to restart the gateway. This should only take a second. We're going to hatch in TUI. Brilliant stuff. So we're all done. Now we can go back to Telegram and we can continue the process. So I can just say, I have set up the skill for ElevenLabs and also entered the API key. Please respond with a voice message once this is working. Here we go. So now it's going to get to work setting up ElevenLabs for the text to speech. Okay, it should find where it's configured in just a second. Found it, great. Stood in the config. We should now hopefully get some audio. Voice is working. Here's your audio. How did you do? Did you get the audio working? If you need clarification on where to save the files, save them in the workspace. Okay, hopefully that extra nudge will help it to configure things. Saving audio.
Yes, audio is fully working.
There we have it.
I figured out that your ElevenLabs API key was stored in the OpenClaw config file, so I just pull it from there each time. And good to know about saving files to the workspace. I'll do that from now on.
Excellent job, well done on the setup. This is actually a YouTube video that I'm recording showing people how to use voice with OpenClaw. Please send a goodbye message to my viewers.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope this gave you a taste of what's possible with OpenClaw and voice. From setting up Whisper for speech to text to ElevenLabs for text to speech, it's actually pretty straightforward once it's all wired up. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Awesome, that's it. Over and out. If you have any questions, please drop them below in the comments.